Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. So we're going out to Lake Okanagan. So check it out.
Okay, he's running away. That's okay, Mookie. You're not going to like this ceviche anyways.
I think I'll put it on the pizza peel and then make the pizza. So I'm just going to put a little bit of flour on there. Hopefully it'll slide off. I guess we will see. Alright, got a little bit of Sunday gravy here. Some nice Genoa salami. And some cherry tomatoes, fresh mozzarella. All right, this is really my first try. Oh, we got liftoff. Alright, I probably should have gave it a couple turns. The part closest to the flame got pretty charred. But, well, it was my first attempt with my new pizza oven. Alright, we'll just cut the charred part off. This can, we'll chalk that up to learning. All right, first try. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I got my first attempt at my pizza oven. I wouldn't call it a success, but we got pizza. And normally I make a tiki drink to go with my Appies for Appies with Chappy by the lake. But it was so much work, I'm just gonna have a beer. This is actually my favorite beer. It's a Japanese beer called Asahi. I'll give you a little information on it. So the Asahi Group Holdings Limited, let's see. The predecessor of the company, the Asahi Breweries, was established in 1889. So they've been, they really know their beer over in Japan. And then this is the Asahi Super Dry. Let's see here. So the company's primary beer from 1957 to the late 1980s was Asahi Gold, overtaking Asahi Draft, its original formula, which remains in production. Asahi Super Dry, a product that transformed the modern beer industry in Japan, is described as a highly attenuated lager without the heavier malt flavors of the competitors' products, with a crisp, dry taste reminiscent of some northern German beers. This highly successful launch led to the significant rise in consumer demand for dry beer, and it turned into a dramatic turnaround for Asahi's business performance, surpassing Kirin in terms of both sales and profitability. So that's a Asahi Super Dry. Very good, and I'll give my pizza a try. I had to cut out the burnt parts. What can I say? First try, it's only gonna get better. So that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.